Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Linux Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. I just wanted to do an update. I mean, in general, the situation since last time I covered it, which was, I think, Thursday or Friday, hasn't really changed. But I know that there's a significant Jasmy community around the channel. And personally, it's on my watch list. So I was looking at it either way. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts, what to expect. Are there certain trade opportunities, etc. So that's what we'll do. In general, if you watch my last video, you're still up to date, all right? Because the last video is still what's most likely. The last video I made was when we actually gave up this level right here at 1.95 and 2 cents, which was a significant key level we broke above earlier 1.5 weeks ago, back when everything was still great. But we broke above that, and then we got a sell-off on Wednesday last week, of course, and that caused us to break down below that again. And then at the same point of time, when we got that breakdown or that bearish breakout, what happened as well is that the open interest or the momentum continued to decrease. So what I said in the video is that, all right, we got a significant bearish breakout. The market doesn't look amazing, which is also still the case. And there's no momentum, which the momentum has been decreasing since the 22nd of April. So for even longer than that the price broke down. So if that's all the case, then it would be stupid of me to say that we're going to be bullish. So that's also what I said. I think it's most likely that we will drop back down to the bottom of the daily range we have, which is very, very much this level right here at, let's say 1.6 cents. All right, you can see that's the main support level that held us up for the last 2 months. So that's it's a very strong support level, and that's also, when we're talking about buy opportunities, that's the main level, all right? Now, ultimately, technically, we're actually still, like I said, and I've said this countless times, technically, Jasmy is actually still holding on relatively well, all right? The problem is the market, all right? If Bitcoin keeps falling, then Jasmy will eventually also break down below this consolidation support. However, a level like this, at 1.6 or this is 1.62 cents, because of the technical strength, and then also coupled with the 100 EMA right there, I think that's an opportunity. I think that's an opportunity, excuse me. Because at this moment, like I said, and that's still the same as last video, at this moment, the expected direction is still down. We're losing momentum. There's no reason to expect otherwise. However, from that level, I would keep my eyes open, all right? Look, the only way Jasmy can really turn bullish is if we actually gain some momentum. So if the open interest, and I've showed this quite a few times as well, but if the open interest starts to be bullish, so if we see something like this, for example, then in combination with hitting that support level at 1.62, that could be a great buy. All right, so I'm not telling you just buy that level, put a limit order there, but keep an eye on that level. Because if it looks most likely we're dropping down there. If we drop down to that level and Bitcoin finds some short-term support and the momentum for Jasmy actually starts to increase, that's an opportunity. Because technically it is a very strong support level. So that's the level I'm keeping my eyes on. In general, like I said, it depends on Bitcoin. All right, right now we're dropping down to this support. I expect this support level right here to hold, at least initially. So that's especially between 1.55 and 1.6 cents right here. I expect that to hold, but the only way we can actually hold that long term is if we have a relatively strong Bitcoin. All right, so then we can do something like this and get back up. Otherwise, unfortunately, we will also break down below that level eventually. So that's something we'll have to see. For now, I think it's most likely we'll drop down there and that we will actually find some support. But be careful, right? These market circumstances in general are pretty shitty. A lot of people, especially a lot of retail, is losing money. So yes, I short-term expect bearish momentum. Then I expect support. That support could be a great trade opportunity if the market also is relatively strong at that moment. So it's all about timing. Otherwise, we're just going to get a small consolidation and drop down lower. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.